Nature-based photo frame craft. For this craft you will need scissors, cardboard, string or wool, tape or glue and nature-based items. Start by wrapping wool around your photo frame. As you can see, the wool has been wrapped around each side of the frame and then tied at the back. You can now start sticking down your items onto the photo frame. Sam has used his 1 hour daily exercise and collected different nature-based items on his wall to decorate his photo frame with. See if you can make it look as bright and vibrant as possible. Have fun!